Oh, shut up.
Demetrius keep putting King in the headlock. Get him, baby.
Baby, no, I ain't got a ball.
Baby, you can't get nobody down. You just got to watch out for that table. 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 Get him, baby. King.
Be careful.
King. King. I know you're in jail and y'all it's time to each other a little harder, but y'all is in the living room. Okay? Y'all ain't outside. His neck cracked.
It's how about me.
Is your neck okay? I'm done with y'all. I'm done.
I don't know, these niggas running all across the couch.
Is your neck okay? Can you move it?
Wait, time out. Troy.
Well, like this. I heard that dog crazy.
Thank you.
Oh, wait.
Damn.
Y'all gonna break the Mario.
That's not Mario. Wait, that is Mario.
It's mine.
Throw it up, Demetrius.
Hey, wait, the pillows ain't got shit to do with it.